Hello friends. So in this video we are starting with the ETL operations. ETL operation means extract, transfer, load. In in this process we will extract the data and transfer means perform some task on it and load into the another table. So for this process we are gonna use one application is known as Pentaho. So here there is syllabus of MCA syllabus of SEM 1. In this syllabus there it is given ETL through Pentaho. So the question is implementation of ETL transformation with Pentaho, like copying data from sources, table, Excel, Oracle and store it to the target table Excel, Oracle. So for ETL we are gonna use Pentaho. In this PC, in the downloads folder, we have one file known as PDI. Inside that file, we have downloaded inside this data integration, and then there is one spool Windows batch file. Double click on it, it will open the application. It is opening in the background. We will simply copy the data from the table and then load to the another table. So here it is loading. In this, first we have to create one transformation and then make the connection. So for creating the transformation, I simply double click on the transformation. It will create one transformation here, and we are gonna take table input from the table and just put into the another table. So inside the input there is one table input. I just drag and drop it here and double click on it. There is step name and connection is for the connection we have to click new. In this window it is database connectivity. Connection name will be test. Host name is local host. Database name is XE. I'm putting this as XE because I'm using the Express Edition. Somewhere we use ORCL. We use ORCL when we have Enterprise Edition. I'm using Express Edition, so I will be using XE. So here port number is by default and the username is system and the password I have set it is admin. So I simply test the connection to test was successful. I will click OK and then OK. Here I have created one connection is test. So here we have to take the table. For taking the table we have to create the table on the database. For creating the table we have one Oracle installed in this laptop. We have downloaded the Oracle in this SQL edition in this laptop, and for taking it we have to simply type 127.0.0.1 colon 8080 slash apex and enter. Here it will open the database connection interface. Here in the user we have to type system and the password is admin, and we'll click on the login. Inside this we have to click SQL. In this we have to SQL command for creating the new table. Here it will create the table by this query. Create table. There is students. We'll have SID. It could be and s name varchar address varchar 50 and contact is simply is contact will be end. It's just a demo table and I am simply running it. Run. There is some issue in it. Name is already exist, so I will use student. Here it is created. Table created. Here table is created, so I will click on get SQL select statement. Inside the test connection there is table option. Inside it there is name. Table name is student. I will double click on it and it will ask, do you want to include the field's name in the SQL? I will click yes, and then further if I have to preview the data, will preview, but now it don't have the data, so we will add data in it. Insert into student. Student have 11. Name is Arun, and the next is other. Contact number is this much. Simply run the query. Insert into select values. So here it is a single hyphen. Single. Okay, I will just run. I have just run the query, and the second input will be this. Run the run. Now there are 3 rows inserted by me. I will select all from student. Run it. Data is in front of me. So here I am now previewing the data. It will show me the data. Okay, I will simply click on OK, and inside the output we have one table output. We'll just drag drop here, double click on it. No, first we have to connect it. Hover on the input table, it will give you this pop-up, and simply click on the right arrow and it will show the arrow and click on table output. It has now connection to this table to this. I will double click on table output. Step name is this. Connection is target table. Target table means the table into which we have to insert the data by performing transformation on it. So I will give name as test no, student stud table. Here we have to click on specify table fields and click on database table, get fields. It will get the fields and just perform the SQL. In SQL we have to click execute. It has executed. Okay, and just close it. Okay, and we have done with the process, and here we have to run the transformation. Before running it, we have to save it. So here I am saving it with student data. Saved it, and the connection is successful. How we got to know the connection is successful? This green mark shows that the connection is successful. Thank you.